大丈夫ですか？それ、ちょっとで。あ、OK。大丈夫です。Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? You speak English? No?
No.
No English. Thank you. You speak English, yeah?
Yes, I
Okay.
speak English.
Alright, thank you.
What do you want to drink?
What do you recommend here?
Whiskey.
Whiskey? Okay. It's a girls bar here or? Ah. What is this place name?
Homola.
Homoda?
Homola. Japanese name.
Ah, Japanese name. It's very old, yeah? This house?
Yes. No, half a year.
Half year? Ah, this shop is half year. Ah, but this street is very old, yeah? Right. What is famous here?
The bars.
The bars.
Bars.
Girls bar.
Relaxing.
Tobita Shinchi, what is that?
Worry.
It's just here. Behind it, yeah? You are from Osaka?
Yes.
Okay. You speak English? No English? No? Oh, you just spoke a little, yeah?
Yes.
A little? YouTuber. You are Osaka 出身？
大阪。
何が一番有名ですか、大阪？
たこ焼き。
たこ焼き。
串カツ。
串カツ。
食べましたか？
もう食べました。大好き。
うまい。
ありがとうございま
This
す。
is the most famous whiskey in Japan.
Oh.
It's called hibiki.
Hibiki, the most famous, is
Yes,
from
most
where?
famous. From Japan.
Oh, from which part of Japan?
I don't know which part, but
Ah.
it's the best whiskey.
Ah, the best whiskey.
So you are TikToker? TikToker?
No,
or
YouTube,
you-
YouTube, yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you
You
very
can
much.
taste it.
So this is the most popular
Yes, the
Japanese.
most popular. Very
Ah.
famous.
Oh, very famous, yeah. Right.
もう大丈夫。
Okay. This is karage.
Yes.
Karage, yeah.
Japanese song.
ありがとうございます。大丈夫です。
If you want.
Thank you.
涙のいくつも思い出が
How did you learn English?
I major in tourism English
Oh,
in
English.
university and
Oh.
graduate also teaching by English.
Oh, teaching by English. Right, in Japan. 乾杯、乾杯よ。
演歌を聴きながら
いただきます。Cheers.
Cheers.
心が
So,
そんな夜もたまらない
It's really delicious and it's very good quality. So the next day you won't feel
headache, yeah?
headache.
Oh, because it's high quality,
Yes.
yeah.
And you can search it on the internet. It's expensive and
Oh,
the
it's
best
perfect,
one.
right. Oh, okay.
I won't let you to drink the cheap one
Oh,
because
thank
it's not tomorrow you will feel headache.
Oh, no headache, yeah. But it's really good here. So, this place is very popular for like prostitute town and girls bar.
Girls bar.
Right.
This street is for girls bar and the next block is for Hori.
Hori.
30 minutes.
30 minutes how much?
16,000.
30 minutes, 16,000.
16,000. Almost 17,000.
Like less than Neiman. Ah, less than 20,000.
But 40 minutes is
For 10 minutes.
18,000.
Ah, for how many? 18,000. Right. Right. So, would you explain over there? I want to ask some question. Is it okay?
Okay.
Video is okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you talk a bit? Yeah.
over there. It's. I want to ask about this area.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Osaka.
Welcome to Osaka, yeah.
Welcome to my bar.
Right. Yeah, it's your bar, yeah. So, so a lot of people come here,
Yes.
mostly local and mostly foreigner.
Foreigners, Japanese and Chinese.
Oh, the Chinese also come here. Foreign Japanese come.
English-speaking countries, people are a lot.
Oh, here, yeah.
But they travel here.
Oh, they travel in
A
Japan.
lot of them are from America.
Oh, from America, right?
And almost of them are engineers.
Oh, mostly engineer.
So they come to my bar and ask a whiskey. What is the best whiskey? So I will recommend them.
Ah, the best whiskey. So usually when they come here, do they go to the
Yes.
red light
They will
district?
just walk around. If they have the girl they like, they will
They go
take
in,
a
yeah?
try.
Oh, okay. I wanna ask if they are okay with foreigners. The
Yes,
red lights.
okay for foreigners.
Oh, so everybody except foreigners in
Yes.
here.
Yes.
As long as they pay the money,
Yes.
then okay.
Because they use that to get the money.
Oh, they get
Very
money.
much.
Yeah, yeah. Is it still popular this area?
Yes, the most popular place.
Oh, really?
Because
But-
in Tokyo, maybe you can find this kind of street.
Oh, I have a question.
Only in Osaka.
Yeah, in Osaka. Why in other area in Japan it's not public, but here is public? You can see them.
Public.
I mean,
because
you can see them
I don't
in-
know. It's a legal problem.
Is a legal
Legal
problem.
problem.
But in Tokyo, for example, they cannot show
Maybe they have no license.
no license. But here they have license
Yes.
in Osaka, right? And then, so do you know anyone there, like in
That
like
kind of girls.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know, yeah?
Because they are totally different kind
right,
of
a
girls.
different category, yeah. This is a girls bar, yeah.
Yes.
So what?
Different categories.
So here it's only drinking and talking with the
Drinking,
girls.
talking, and have food and
food.
singing.
Oh, you also
Yes,
serve
karaoke,
food, yeah.
yes.
Ah,
We
karaoke.
sell food.
So
But
karaoke, food
mainly
and drink,
we
yeah.
drink
Oh, mainly drink, yeah. Right.
And
How long have you been doing this job?
half a year.
Half a year.
Totally 1 year and a half.
One
But
year.
this bar, I opened my own bar. My bar is half a year.
Oh, but you are a student, you said?
No, I graduated.
Oh, you graduated. So what?
Last year.
What did you study again?
Study education.
Oh, education. Sorry, I forgot. Education,
English.
yeah. English. No, this is why your English is perfect. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's cool. So this is your main job, yeah?
Yes,
So why did you choose this job?
because it can earn much more money.
Oh,
than
you can
a
gain
normal-
much. Ah. So if you get a job like for English and stuff, like your
get low pay, so-
yeah, it's low pay. This one is much better, yeah.
It depends on the season, depends
Ah.
on the customers.
Depends on the customer. So how many girls are working here?
Too.
Only you?
Only me
That,
and-
that's your friend, yeah?
Yes.
Right. That's amazing.
Can we go back?
Oh,
where
okay,
the
yeah,
customers
yeah, yeah,
will
sure,
be?
sure. Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
yeah. Thank you. あ、もう歌いますね。
Interview you have.
とても大丈夫ですか？とても大丈夫です。ああ、歌います。
And if you have any other information you want to know, you can come back to ask me.
Oh, really?
Even you don't drink.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, I wish you the best. Yeah. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. ありがとうございます。Bye bye. Thank you. ありがとうございます。Bye bye.